Welcome to our educational video demonstrating how to run Java applets using our extension, the CheerpJ Applet Runner, and the process of self-deployment. Firstly, in this screen recording, we will guide you through the installation process and how to access applets via the browser using the extension. To begin with, add the CheerpJ Applet Runner extension to your Chrome or Edge browser. You can either find it through our website or search for it in your preferred web store. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the extension on Chrome, but the process is similar on Edge. Once successfully added to Chrome, proceed to a website or a web page that contains a Java applet. As you can see, it doesn't show anything. Now click on the CheerpJ icon on the top right of your browser to run the applet, and you can see that it loads as it should. Now we will explore how to self-deploy an applet using CheerpJ. First, ensure you have access to the necessary source files for this demonstration. With the source files in hand, open them in a code editor like Visual Studio Code. As a preliminary step, ensure to establish a basic HTTP server to host the files effectively. Launch the server, for example a -http server, from the folder containing all the required files. Starting this server will pave the way for hosting the application. Within the source code, our focus lies on the index.html file, where the applet is currently embedded. To enable smooth deployment, we need to enhance this file. Begin by adding a script tag to the HTML head section to load our loader script. This script inclusion is crucial to the proper functionality of the applet. Additionally, immediately following the applet tag in the HTML file, initialize CheerpJ by inserting another script tag. This script, coded in JavaScript, acts as an async function that calls await init and promptly executes an async function, setting the stage for the application's initiation. After implementing these script updates, refresh the web page to witness the applet seamlessly beginning its functionality. This execution represents the successful self-deployment of the application using CheerpJ. Through these steps, you can effortlessly launch an applet either natively or through the app runner, highlighting the versatility and the ease of self-deploying applications with CheerpJ, showcasing the simplicity and efficiency of self-deployment in the web environment.